chose my course because of Brighton as a city, firstly. I think it's a great place, it's really fun. The fact that the course is with business studies, I feel like it really gets you ready for the real world. But the main thing that really persuaded me to do the course was the placement year. I think it's a really, really important part of the course, and you can learn a lot about the industry and make a lot of contacts. You get quite a lot of guidance from the uni. They've got a big database of lots of different companies that you can get in contact with. But I actually ended up going for kind of more small companies because I thought I'd have more of an intimate experience. I ended up contacting a lot of my placements through Instagram actually. I think it's a great tool to finding out companies and contacting them. And I did a placement in Brighton with a woman called Sarah Arnett, who does amazing prints, and I went to the Cotswolds and did in-house screen printing for an interior company called Rapture and Wright, and also went to Essex and worked for a woman that does big natural dye installations called Mia Sylvia. They've definitely informed my work a lot. I think each placement helped in different areas. My first placement with Sarah was kind of a real eye-opener for me in the future if I wanted to become an independent textile designer, as she was in a small studio with lots of other creative people, and it was quite a nice environment to see kind of what I could be doing in the future. She was a small business as well, so it actually gave me a lot of information on creating a small business, and she gave me a lot of business advice. My favourite aspect of the course is probably getting to be in uni, it being really hands-on. I like it that it's a really hands-on course. You're not sat in front of a computer all the time. It's very creative. You can be in your studio space working and then go into the print room. And yeah, I've had an amazing time at uni here. You have to make a business plan in your final year. And if you don't use it, you don't use it. But I think it's a good skill to have and to think about how you can make money from creating your art.